Hello viewers, welcome back to the part 2 of our presentation. In this presentation, let us dive deep into the airbag systems. An airbag is a rapidly inflating fabric cushion designed to protect head and chest from hitting the hard dashboard or steering wheel. It is very important to know the airbags are called Supplemental Restraint System or SRS for short. The word supplemental means they are designed to work with your seat belt, not instead of it. If you do not wear a seat belt, an airbag can actually cause harm. Airbags deploy unbelievably fast, taking only 20 to 50 milliseconds to fully inflate. This ultra fast reaction time is exactly what saves lives during rapid frontal impacts. So let us move on to the presentation. Components of airbag. To make this rapid inflation happen safely, four main pieces must work together perfectly. First, we have the crash sensor, which are placed at the front and side of the car to detect the impact forces. Second, the electronic control unit or ECU, which acts as a brain of the system to decide exactly when to trigger the airbag. Third is the inflator, a small device that triggers a safe chemical reaction to create gas. Finally, there is the airbag module itself, which contains the carefully folded nylon cushion that pops out to protect us. There are different types of airbags. Before we look at the internal chemical reaction, let us quickly look at the airbags and placed inside modern vehicles. Front airbags inside the steering wheel and dashboard to protect the driver and the co-driver. We have side airbags, usually built to sides of the seats to protect chest during a side collision. Curtain airbag. Curtain airbags drop down from the roof line along with the windows to protect head from glass and side impacts. Lastly, some vehicles include knee airbags under the lower dashboard to prevent serious leg injuries. So generally the airbag definition. So to formalize this, let us look at the standard of textbook definition of airbag. An airbag is a vehicle safety system that uses highly flexible fabric bag. It is engineered to inflate extremely quick during a crash and just as quickly deflate immediately afterward. This deflation is critical cause it cushions landing and makes sure the driver can see and move after the accident. The entire setup is a small compact module that stays hidden from view until is needed. Need for the airbag. When a car crashes, it stops instantly, but the human bodies keep moving forward at high speeds. An airbag provides soft cushion that increases the amount of time it takes for your head and chest to slow down. By spreading the crash force over more time and a large surface area, the impact on our body becomes much weaker, allowing us to survive major crashes without severe injuries. So these are the different components of the supplemental restraint system. So the main thing is the crash sensor. So they are equipped in the front and the rear and the side of the vehicle. They are otherwise called as impact sensor, ECU, SRS unit, G sensor. So these are all the major components as shown in this slide. So let us see the working. The car hits an obstacle and the sensor measures the huge slowdown. In the step 2, the sensor closes an electric circuit and signals the ECU. The third step, the ECU sends the signal as an electric spark to the inflator. This spark heats up a solid chemical propellant inside the module. The heat triggers a reaction that generates a massive amount of clean gas very quickly. So the cushion is now fully opened, catching the forward moving passenger. As the passenger's body presses into the bag, the gas escapes through the tiny vent holes in the back of the fabric. This venting action absorbs the energy of our movement, bringing us to a safe cushion stop. And I conclude from this slide, and in the final part we will explore specific operating conditions, unique airbag types and future trends. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.